Welcome back to Gospel V, and today we have a little bit of a different thing to do. So as the weather is getting warmer, the one thing I need to do is maintenance on the lawnmower. So that's what we're doing today.
In the fall of 2021, our family moved to Eastern Tennessee to get a fresh start after COVID. We moved here with the dream of making this area our permanent home. After buying a 70-year-old house, we started a channel, The Gospel of E. The purpose of the channel is to show that anyone can rebuild their life with a bit of patience, some elbow grease, and lots of love from your family. Follow us by subscribing as we realize our dream by renovating our new 1952 home together.
I know putting in the flatter area, it was pretty rough to start, but first thing I'm going to try to do, well, will do, is change the oil. And the oil is relatively easy to change in this, even though I have never done this before. I haven't done it on this one at least. So here's your oil filter. This is your fuel filter right here. And then here's where you empty your oil from. I could not find a container for a little bit, and then I found an old oil container, and I cut the top of Diet Cola, off-brand Diet Coke bottle, because I couldn't find my siphon, not siphon, but my whatever it's called. So I did run the engine just a little bit. I didn't want to run it too long, but on this, all you need to do, I think, this is my first time doing this, is open up. But I ran my engine to warm up a little bit, the oil, so it runs, because I hadn't used it for a while. There you go. Woo. That is black. And I'm going to open the top also. Let some air come in, and I'm going to let it drain. Take out the oil filter. These tend to drip when you first take them out. All right. Well, it's been a while since it has been changed. Okay, first things first. Here's our oil. I'll need a little bit more than that, and I do have a second one. Here's the new filter. And sure enough, it's gonna work. The only difference I see between the two is the rubber on this one is a little bit thinner than the rubber on this one. This is an actual John Deere one. This is not, because I don't have a John Deere dealership anywhere nearby. Plus, they are pretty expensive. But if you go to O'Reilly's, you can go ahead and get a true replacement, or not true, well, a replacement that works for it. So let's see. I'll put a little bit of oil in here. Oops, a little bit much. Let it go down a little bit. Gonna be a little bit messy, but I think we can manage. Yeah, you'll need more, but I'm gonna start because it's on the side. I don't want it to all spill out. So, new filter is in. It's done dripping. So I'm going to clean these up. Okay, problem is there's a lot of oil all over the place, but it looks like the line actually stops here, which is pretty low. So let's put a bit more in it. All right, let's give it a second to go down. Now, air filters are very easy usually to change. All you do is pop this top here, and there's your filter. And see, this is the one side which is clean, and that's the one that the air comes into. But the other side, as you can see, is pretty dirty. So how about a brand new one from Ace? And it goes very easily in here. See, it just kind of pops in. Then all you do is close this. That's it. All right, so here's where the spark plug resides. It's right in here. And so all I need to do is loosen it up, and it was not very tight, which is a good thing. See, it's not terrible, but I want to put a new one because I haven't put one in 3 years. So let's put a new one. See, this one is a Champion RC12YC. This is an RC12YC, but no brand. I'm guessing it must be the what do you call it? The John Deere brand. Put just a hair of oil on the threads. Now, usually you want to put, you have this paste that you put on there, which is a little bit better, but mine is downstairs. and I don't feel like getting it. Whew. Let's put it with this. There it is. Oh, hard to see, but okay. I don't tighten them too terribly much, just enough for them to stop, to not slip out, but not too much to where it wears at the threads. I just realized this. I mean, I don't know really of anybody that uses their lights, but I just realized mine are kind of crispy here. So they do work, but most likely I'll have to fix that too. So next item on the list is one thing I've never done with this poor thing, and it's actually clean it a little bit. Obviously it's not a car, I don't need to make it spotless, and it's an old machine, but I'd like to try to get some of the oils that are caked on the engine off. So my idea is, first I'm going to spray some engine brake on the thick oiled areas, and then after that I am going to, I am going to just wash it with some dish soap and stuff. Then I think I do have a little bit of protective stuff that I might put on there. And see, once you spray them, they look brand new. I bought 2 bottles of the cheap stuff because, you know, I don't want to spend too much money on this. Now, I do need to change the fuel filter at some point, because I don't know when was the last time that was done. So, anyway. Not too bad for a 22-year-old lawnmower. The truth is, John Deere does make the best ones I think I've ever used. Alright, see you guys next week. Please like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. It's something out of the ordinary, but thank you for following us. Be blessed.